Hello everyone, so today I'm going to teach you how to create a chatbot for free. So we're using ChatFuel. Let's go to the dashboard. So at first, we will give permission to ChatFuel using our Facebook account because we'll create a chatbot using our page, for our business page. So this is my page that I'm going to use, the G Online Store. So we will allow all of this. Okay. So ChatFuel is free, guys, as long as we use it moderately. Connect to page. So this is very simple. So we select free. How many people work at your company? 1 to 10. Are you marketing or social media agency? No. Other. I can skip that part. There you go. So there's a template here from ChatFuel, so we can create. This is very easy. Like first name. So this is the first message. We can add your URL or phone call or another block. We can put here our mobile number or telephone number. But first, we should uh, rephrase or change the message according to our page. So we'll first put our mobile number here, Philippines or Philippines. Then we can modify this. So hi there, then their first name. Thanks for messaging. We can change this to welcome to G Online Shop or G Online Store. If we do not reply in few minutes, kindly call or send us I guess we're done now, so let's test our bot. ChatFuel will send us a sample message in our messenger. Let's go to our messenger. There you go. Let's click for to better, no, better see. This is it. Hi there, Geneva. Welcome to G Online Store. If we didn't reply in a few minutes, kindly call or send us an SMS for faster transaction. So when we try to click the button, our number just appear. So we can add more blocks here or customize more. That's it. Thank you.